ago tonight, I was at my Rotary Club, and they asked me what was up in my life, and I said, well, I'm going to Vegas to tell them how Einstein wrote a letter about what to do if the aliens came. So they laughed and fined me $40. But tomorrow morning, I'm going to tell you about what Einstein said, and I'm going to try to show you that that's one of two question documents that I have where we'll be evaluating the authenticity of the documents. One of the documents is allegedly written by Einstein, and the other one is actually written by MJ1, no less. And it is unique in that it is an original document. You know, it's very rare that question document examiners like myself get original documents where you can get the watermark, you can study the age of the ink and that sort of thing. So I'll be dealing with these two documents. The first one was written allegedly by Oppenheimer and Einstein, whose signatures are on it. It came from Salina, who was allegedly a secretary working for the counterintelligence part of the CIA, who believed that this document should see the light of day. And so what we'll do is we will try to examine these documents as if we're trying to get a fingerprint on the author. You can never always know for sure who the author is from examining a question document. But when you have a fingerprint in DNA, well, you really can. And so we'll be treating this document as if we're looking at it from what is the fingerprint of the author. And I'll tell you a little bit about how you go about document authentication these days, counting the length of words and length of sentences and that sort of thing. The other document is in some ways more remarkable because it is, as I say, the original paper, and it's from MJ1 writing to MJ2 through 7. 8 through 12 are not included. And it includes 8 tabs, and each tab is one page. And these tabs are the old kind of tabs, you know, that some of you may have known that you lick and then you stick on the page to be able to find the tab. Anyway, each tab tells a story, and the last tab tells that the dictator of the document says that if we can't get any more money, it should be wet, which means that we should assassinate JFK.